Uranus spins on its side. Uranus has one of the most peculiar rotations in the solar system. Unlike other planets that spin upright or slightly tilted, Uranus rotates almost completely on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. This means it essentially rolls along its orbit, creating some of the most extreme seasons imaginable. Each pole experiences 42 years of constant sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness as the planet orbits the Sun. Scientists believe this unusual tilt resulted from a massive collision early in Uranus's history. A protoplanet or asteroid likely struck Uranus with enough force to knock it over, leaving it spinning sideways. This collision may have also contributed to the planet's faint ring system and its strangely aligned magnetic field. The sideways spin isn't just a curious fact, it dramatically affects Uranus's atmosphere and weather patterns. Winds swirl in bands perpendicular to the equator, creating unique cloud movements. Observations from spacecraft and telescopes show shifting patterns of methane clouds, hinting at complex dynamics beneath the serene blue appearance. Uranus's tilted axis challenges our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. Studying it offers insights into how cosmic collisions shape the solar system and influence the development of other celestial bodies.